Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinity CAD. In this video, we are going to learn about how to design this part using the sheet metal features. So here you can see this is our sheet metal tab and we are going to use most of the features in this during this tutorial. So if you can't see this tab over here, you can on it by clicking right click and check mark this sheet metal icon, and you can see the sheet metal tab over here after you will check mark it. So first of all, we will start with our new part and then we are going to use here a base plane feature. So just click on it and select this plane. Here we have to draw one sketch. So I'm gonna select here one line, draw one sketch like this, and over here also escape. Let me hide those planes. Okay, so like this we have to draw our sketch. Okay, now let's assign some dimensions to this. So select smart dimension. This length should be 18 mm. Forty-five mm, 45 mm. Same distance from this center point to over here, it will be 22.5 half of 45. This one is gonna be also 18 mm. And then OK. So now you can see our sketch is fully defined. And now we can exit this. Once we will exit, we have to give here direction 1 as extrude distance. So we will give this extrude distance as 35 mm. The sheet metal parameters we will keep as it is, 1.5 mm, 1.5 mm sheet thickness and this print radius. Okay, just click on OK then. Now we have to give here tabs. For that, we are again selecting base flange. Same select this face. Here first we'll draw two center lines as your reference. And again from this center point to over here. Select this circle. Give here dimension as 10 mm. This distance from the center point to the center line, it is 50 mm. Then select here one line. Like this we will draw our sketch. Now then select trim entities. Select trim to closest. Delete this line and this line. So now our sketch is fully defined. Let's again exit this. Sheet thickness will be 1.5 mm and here we will keep merge results. Okay. Now we have to mirror this base flange. For that we are going to features, then mirror, and to select this mirror plane we will select here right plane and then just OK. So now we have to create two tabs over here also. For that again we will go to sheet metal and then we will select a feature that we call it as edge flange. Then selecting this edge. Okay, we have selected this edge. select the direction as upper side, and here we are going to edit a flange profile. For that, delete this previous profile. Okay, again here we will draw one circle in the center line, keeping its diameter same as it is 10 mm, and this distance from this line it should be 8.5 mm. Then again one line from the center point to here, exit. Okay, now select trim entities, trim this unwanted portion and this portion, and this one also we are going to trim. Okay, let's make it fully defined. For that we have to assign some dimensions. So our sketch is ready. Let's finish this, and you can see this space flange, and in this we are going to edit it. First we'll select this material inside, trim side bends, 90° we'll keep over here. Okay, so you can see it will look like this. Now let's mirror this. To mirror it, we have to give here one center plane. For that we will select here reference plane, then select this face, this backside face. Okay, then just simply select mirror. This plane is already selected. We have to select a feature, so select this edge plane feature and then OK. So now next we have to give some holes. To apply holes over here, we will select here hole wizard feature, select hole wizard, and in the positions we will select here 2D sketch. Then with this reference, select this as a center point, same as it is for this reference. Okay. The center point, just come over to this edge and you can see this center point. Then just in the type we will select here straight hole, ANSI metric, will sizes, and in the size we'll keep here 5 mm diameter and condition will be through all, and just click on OK. So that's all, our part is now ready. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.